When it comes to education, not all schools are created equal. Many parents are curious about alternative educational methods, especially Montessori schools. But what exactly is a Montessori school, and how does it differ from the typical school model? In this video, we'll explore the key differences between Montessori schools and conventional schools to help you decide which approach might be best for your child. First, let's take a look at what makes a Montessori school unique. Montessori education is based on the teachings of Dr. Maria Montessori, an Italian physician and educator. She developed this method in the early 1900s with a focus on hands-on learning, self-directed activity, and collaborative play. Montessori classrooms are often filled with natural light, carefully arranged materials, and child-sized furniture designed to create an inviting and stimulating environment. In a Montessori classroom, children of varying ages learn together. This multi-age approach encourages mentorship, leadership, and a sense of community, with older children often guiding the younger ones. One of the most significant differences between Montessori schools and typical schools is the approach to learning. In a Montessori school, learning is student-centered. Children choose activities that interest them and work at their own pace. Teachers, known as guides, observe and support rather than directly instruct. This allows children to explore concepts deeply and develop a true love for learning. In typical schools, the teacher is usually at the front of the classroom, directing the lesson for all students at once. This model can make it difficult to cater to each child's individual learning pace and style. In contrast, Montessori schools empower students to take ownership of their learning and pursue topics that fascinate them. Another key difference lies in the structure of the school day. Typical schools follow a strict schedule where every student learns the same subjects at the same time. The curriculum is standardized, and students are usually assessed with tests and grades to measure their performance. Montessori schools, on the other hand, offer a flexible schedule that allows children to engage in longer periods of focused, uninterrupted work. This approach helps children develop concentration and fosters a sense of independence. Instead of a standardized curriculum, Montessori guides introduce concepts through hands-on materials, adapting to each child's developmental stage. Assessments are more observational, focusing on a child's growth and understanding, rather than a comparison to peers. Montessori education places a strong emphasis on independence. In the classroom, you'll find children engaging in practical life activities like pouring water, cleaning up, and preparing snacks. These activities are designed to build fine motor skills, coordination, and a sense of responsibility. In a typical school, the focus tends to be more on academic subjects, with less time devoted to these daily living skills. Montessori educators believe that developing practical life skills helps children gain confidence and fosters their ability to manage their environment. In a Montessori school, the teacher's role is more of a guide or facilitator. They observe each child, recognizing their individual needs and interests, and then introduce materials or concepts that support their learning journey. Typical school teachers often have to follow a set curriculum, which means they might have less flexibility to tailor lessons to each child's needs. While Montessori and typical schools each have their benefits, the Montessori approach is uniquely designed to foster independence, curiosity, and a lifelong love of learning. Choosing the right environment for your child is a personal decision, but understanding these differences can help guide you toward the best fit for your family's needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into education, child development, parenting, and of course, Montessori. Let us know in the comments if you have questions about Montessori education.